Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to make passive income and 5 proven ways that you can do that. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So the reason that you really want to make passive income is it's very scalable and it's not exchanging time for money. You put in the energy right there at the beginning and then you have to have very little attention. Now, when I say very little attention, it's things that are done in the past, but you still have to keep it going a little bit. You still have to look over it and see if everything's running smoothly, because a lot of people get hurt doing that. They think that they can sit on the beach and just enjoy life and then they have no money left. So you really have to pay attention to it. But there is very little that you have to do. So passive income does exist, but you have to put in the work first and then look after it from time to time. Now it's very hands off. You can just chill. Yes, you can go and lay on the beach, but then from time to time when you get back from the beach, just check that everything's running smoothly. So there are a lot of different ways to do passive income. You know, if you have a real shop down the street, you can make passive income from that, because you have employees, you hire people to look after the shop and you're making passive income. You can also go into real estate. Real estate is known to be passive income because you buy whatever it is, whether it's a house or something, you rent it out and you make money, passive income from that. So this absolutely works. But this is not what I'm specialized on. I'm specialized in making money online. So I'm going to talk about online businesses, because that, I believe, is a lot easier than anything else. Because if you have a shop down the street, it's going to be a lot harder to make passive income, because you're going to hire staff. And when it's just like a person-run business, it's going to be a lot harder. So on the internet, it's a lot easier to do so. And here's the other thing. Internet is a huge shift. Like, a lot of people think that internet is at the biggest it can be yet. And it's true, there are billions and billions of people on the internet. But there is one thing that a lot of people misunderstand, is that a lot of people, billions and billions of people, do not have access to the internet right now, and that they will be in like the next 5 to 10 years. So billions and billions of people are going to be new to the internet in just a few short years. And the other thing is, online you have a lot more global reach and you can reach a lot of people, because when you have a shop down the street, it's going to be a lot harder, because you're just going to reach the people around you, around that street, maybe around that town if it's a known shop, but it doesn't go much further than that. On the internet, you can reach people from all over the world without moving away from your couch. And I'm on my couch right now, and I can reach you guys, which a lot of people are from the United States. So hello to you guys in the United States. So the first way to make passive income, which I'm going to talk about, is selling your own product. So you can sell ebooks, courses, software, and there are tons of different ways to do that. You can sell your own merch as well. You can sell so many different things. It's insane how many things you can sell just by selling your own product, because so many people do that, and that works very well. So you can have a team that ships your product, or you can use Amazon. It really depends on what you want to do, but that is a very good way. Now, how do you drive traffic? You can drive traffic in so many different ways. You can run ads. A lot of people run ads, but you really have to know what you're doing, unless you have a budget and you're ready to lose some money at first. Or you can run YouTube videos, which is 100% free, and you can do that with that. You can also run a blog. Blogging is very good, because if people have questions, then they can search that on Google and end up on your blog. So that's a very good way to do that. You run traffic with YouTube or a blog, and then you sell your own product, which can be so many different things. And an ebook doesn't cost you anything to make, so you can see and test the waters, and then you can sell a course. Then just software is a little bit harder, but you can still do that. And you can ask people to make the software. If you don't know how to code, don't go into that huge thing of learning how to code. Ask people who already know how to code. The next thing is a web design company. You can employ people because they are going to sell whatever it is. They are going to make some web designs, and you are completely hands off, and you are on the internet, that you can reach anywhere in the world, and you can just let people take care of that, employ people. Now this is a people-driven business, so it's typically a bit harder to do, but you can run your web design company at first and then hire some people and take care of the rest. So if you're ready to really put in a lot of work at first and ready to employ people after that, then that's a very good way to do so. The next thing is advertising. So advertising can be on your blogs, on YouTube videos. If you have over 1,000 people that are subscribed, if you have some apps as well. I've made some apps in the past, like years ago, and I'm still making money from the ads that are running on these apps. So there are a ton of different ways to do that. You can just find a way where you can make money from ads which are running on your apps, your blog, your YouTube videos, and all sorts of different things. The next thing that you can do is affiliate marketing. Now, I talk about this quite a lot on my YouTube channel, but I will explain as well. So, affiliate marketing is where you promote a product for a company and you get a commission from it. So if you type any company name pretty much and space affiliate marketing, you will end up on the affiliate program. Usually it's free to sign up, but if you have a course or something, you may have to get the course first. But then all you have to do is just post your link, and if people buy it, then you get a commission. Now, you have to run some traffic properly, so again, I suggest blogging or YouTube because that is very powerful, just helping people out and giving them some more value. If you think that they need a link that will help them, then you post that link and you make money from that. And if you have a YouTube channel or a blog, you can have money coming in from years and years ago, like you made a video 5 years ago, or you made that blog post 5 years ago, and you can still make some money from that. So there are so many different ways to do that. Just pick the one that you like the most and you can absolutely make some passive income. Just make sure that you know that at first you will have to put in the work, and after that, yes, it's like passive income does exist, and you can go shopping, you can go to the beach, you can do whatever and still get paid. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I put a video out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.